Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make those tough purchasing decisions easier than finding a clean sock in a laundry basket. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of steam mops. We have the Dirt Devil Steam Mop on the left, because who doesn't want the devil to do their dirty work? And on the right, we have the Shark Steam and Scrub, because apparently we need a shark in our cleaning arsenal now. Let's see which one rises to the top of the cleaning food chain. First up, let's talk about the price. The Dirt Devil is coming in hot at just $74. Perfect for those of us who are all about saving those hard-earned bucks. Meanwhile, the shark is swimming in the deep end at $139. Reviewers appreciate that the Dirt Devil offers great value for its price, especially for those looking for an efficient cleaning tool without breaking the bank. On the other hand, shark users often mention that the higher price tag is justified by its advanced features and cleaning power. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Dirt Devil prides itself on deep cleaning with just heat and water, like a spa day for your floors, ready to go in 30 seconds. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on sealed hard floors, with one mentioning it leaves the floor barely damp and dries quickly. In contrast, the shark doesn't just clean, it scrubs with over 150 scrubs per minute. Users highlight its ability to tackle tough stains and dirt effectively, making it a powerhouse for deep cleaning. Versatility is key. The Dirt Devil boasts a 180-degree swivel head, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Reviewers love this feature, especially for tight spaces. Meanwhile, the shark is designed for all sealed hard floors, and its sleek design is often compared to a prom queen. Everyone wants to take it home. Users appreciate its lightweight construction and maneuverability, making it suitable for various cleaning situations. Now, let's talk modes. The Dirt Devil has 3 steam settings, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Reviewers love this flexibility. Meanwhile, the shark also has 3 steam modes, but adds a scrubbing feature that's tough on stains and gentle on floors. Users frequently mention how the scrubbing feature enhances its cleaning capabilities, making it ideal for multi-surface use. Finally, let's not forget the bonus features. The shark comes with a generous 19 FT power cord and includes 4 washable pads, which users find incredibly convenient. In contrast, while the Dirt Devil is lightweight and easy to use, it lacks the same level of bonus features, making it less appealing for those who want extra functionality. Reviewers of the shark appreciate the convenience of not having to constantly replace pads, making it a more sustainable option. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths. The Dirt Devil is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub is celebrated for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and advanced features, appealing to those willing to invest more for a thorough clean. So which steam mop should you choose? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, quick cleaning option that's easy to maneuver, the Dirt Devil is your best bet. But if you want a cleaning powerhouse that scrubs your floors like it's preparing for the Olympics, then the Shark Steam and Scrub is your golden ticket. Remember, whether you're Team Dirt Devil or Team Shark, the most important thing is that you keep those floors clean. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and subscribe for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, happy cleaning, and may your floors always be spotless. Outro music plays and screen fades out with channel logo.